As a mom, I travel with my children. Obviously, I don't leave them behind. And when I'm on the trip, I'm just too busy to think about what I want to wear. And since the summer season is coming up and a lot of us tend to travel a lot around summertime, I thought I'll talk to you about how to curate a wardrobe for summer. First of all, I want you to think about picking your colors of the season. Whether you're traveling or you just want to have a curated wardrobe for the summer so you don't really think about it too much on a day-to-day basis, pick the colors that works for you, that you love, goes with your personal style. The only thing when it comes to those colors, I normally go with three main colors and two in and out. They have to obviously mix and match together. By the way, five is just a random number that I picked and it works for me. So it depends on your personal style. I like loud colors, so I like to be able to mix and match. I guess if you are doing neutrals, you don't really need a lot of colors. You might get away with three colors. But the most important thing is when you're picking those colors is to stay in the same saturation. If you have blue, red, and I don't know, green, and you go in with the bright blue, make sure that every other color is also in the bright saturation side. The shades and the saturations needs to more or less match, so it will be easier. I'm not saying that if you have different saturations or different shades you cannot match it, but it's easier to match colors in the same saturation. Pick the print as well. Are you gonna be floral? Are you gonna do some polka dots? Are you gonna do some stripes? You can mix and match as well. And when you're picking your prints, make sure that the colors that are in those prints, they all within the same colors that you have picked. Personally, I'm picking florals because I have a lot of florals and I don't really need to add in anything in that category. My next step would be pick your favorite silhouette. So, what kind of silhouettes are you gravitating toward? Are you doing straight leg jeans? Are you doing wide leg jeans? Are you doing high waisted, low waisted, mid waisted? You need to make sure that you have that under control and then pick one or two silhouettes that works for you and you don't think about it every time you want to get dressed or also every time you want to go and shop as well. Same with the dresses. Are you kind of mini dress? Are you kind of maxi dress? Are you midi dress? Are you an A-line dress kind of girl? There are plenty of silhouettes also with skirts. Are you more into shorts, not skirts? A streamline your thinking as well when you are putting the outfits together. The next point will be pick the trends that resonate with you for that specific season. The girl is saying it's not about the trends, it's all about your personal style, which is fair and kind of true, but you live in an era and you have trends on each era, so you can't do something that doesn't really go with where we are right now. Otherwise, you will look outdated. The look will not belong unless if you want to just go 100% classic and not really add in any personality to the look. You don't have to really participate in every trend. Just pick few that resonate with you. But I'm not saying go shop, just look at what's happening in the fashion. By the way, if you haven't watched my video about spring summer trends, I will put a link somewhere here in the top for a video I made earlier for that specific reason, so you will just be informed. It's about 15 to 20-minute video. It will give you a little bit of an insight about what trends are going on right now in this season. Next step, audit your closet. You're not in going shopping or anything. You're just gonna go through your closet and see what do you have from past years, what still resonates with you, what still fits, what still look good, what needs tailoring maybe, what needs fixing or cleaning, washing, and all of that, and put all of those pieces together, what are the pieces that you still love, even though you bought it, I don't know, 5, 6 years ago. And you're having your hero pieces that you love now, your trends, you have your colors and your silhouettes. The next step, you need to start defining your uniform and what works for you best. For example, for me right now in this season of my life, a jean and a graphic tee is the best I can do on a day-to-day basis. I have a toddler. I gained a lot of weight after my pregnancy. I like to be comfortable and be easy to move and not worry about ruining my clothes. My best silhouette is a high-waisted straight or wide leg jeans, and I like a graphic tee like I'm wearing now. For you, just define what works for you right now, what works for your body right now, and for your young children, if you have older children, if you're single, if you are living in the city, or if you move to the countryside. And all of those things really matter in putting a curated wardrobe that works for you specifically and make you enjoy getting dressed and feel good about yourself. Last thing that I forgot to mention about uniform, it doesn't have to be one formula. You can have 1, 2, 3, as many formulas as you want. Just make sure that they work for you, for your lifestyle. Each formula can work for a different occasion. For example, my formula for date nights is a dress. I like nice feminine dress. And this is when I get out all these little Zimmermann dresses that I love. And they look really nice on me because I'm going on a date night with my husband. I don't have to deal with the kids at home. I'm not gonna be worried about staining my clothes with sauce or anything like that. Accessories, all the things that makes the outfit an outfit. Obviously, you're not gonna just wear clothes. You will need shoes, you will need handbags, you will need jewelry, you will need other accessories like belts, scarves, sunglasses. All of those things matter. It takes your outfit from a normal tee and jeans to something really elevated and put together. It just makes sure that everything fits and goes together. You can't have this beautiful flowery dress in white and red and I don't know, green, and you're wearing a nice white ballet flat, and then you're having a black handbag. The handbag will look a little bit out of place with it, right? So when you're curating as well, make sure that you are doing everything homogeneously. Start constructing your outfits with all the pieces that you already have and take pictures. If you want to put them on and take pictures and file that way, that will be great. I actually did something when I went on a ski holiday with our family. And I know I take time to put outfits together and to get ready. So I took pictures of all the pieces that I was gonna take with me and upload them to Canva. And I started playing with everything to make outfits. I will just put it somewhere here so you know what I mean. That was really valuable for me when it came to thinking about what I'm gonna wear tomorrow. I just pull a picture out and I'm like, okay, I can go with this. I didn't have to think about my outfit. It was like, wow, that's one less decisions I had to deal with. My next point would be, once all your outfits are constructed, go very deep when you construct your outfit. Even if you want to make sure that you have the right lipstick or the right jewelry on, don't spare a detail if you can, basically. While you're constructing your outfits, you probably would notice that you have few things that are missing, and this is when you start defining the gaps and what are you going to go and shop for the season, so you don't just end up with a lot of clothes and nothing to wear like me right now. This method, you can apply it to a trip, several trips, or to the whole season or year round. It's up to you. It's very flexible and it gives you a little bit of peace of mind when it comes to getting dressed every single day, especially if you are a mom with young children, but you still want to be put together and you don't want to look sloppy all the time and be on your leggings and graphic tee. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.